Let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Now right there where the driver's left foot would go, there's a primary hood release lever. So pull that. Now in front of the vehicle, right there on the center, that's where the secondary release lever is. You see how I gotta push it to the left? So push it left with one finger and then lift it up. Now we will need a flathead screwdriver, long strong rod for this job. So first off, get the rod, put the rod over there the way I'm doing it. You gotta get that rod in position so that it's gonna take the weight of the hood once you take the strut off. Right? I'm gonna show you exactly where I put it now. Let's get a closer look at it. Right? So one end is pushing up on the hood and the second end's over there. Right there behind the fuse box. Right there. It's not gonna move when I put the weight on the rod. That's good. Now let's get the screwdriver. There are two clips. There's one clip over there and there's a second spring clip. So both spring clips, we're gonna get it off, not completely off, we're just gonna pry it off a little bit, just like that. Right now when you're doing it, it's a good idea to keep a thumb on the clip so it doesn't just fly off. Right, just get it off a little bit like that and then push the hood a little bit and pull the strut off, and that's it. See, now we have a lot more freedom to access the second clip. We've made the job easier for ourselves. Get the screwdriver, repeat the process, just get the spring clip off a little bit and the strut comes right off. Now for the new rod, make sure the clips are pulled out on both ends, right? And we're gonna put this thin end, the skinny end, on the bottom like that. That's it, that's where it goes. Just put that on and then use a screwdriver to push the clip in position, and that's it. Now it's not going anywhere, it's in position, it's secured. See that? Now let's do that for the other end over there. Push the hood up, get it in position, align it and push it on, and that's it. Now the load is off the red rod too. Again, get the screwdriver, use that to push the clip in position. It's secured, and that's it. Let's not forget to get the rod out of there, and that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? If you can't reach all the way to the top, just pull it down from the side. Pull it down. Again, you have to apply some pressure because that support rod is sort of pushing it up. So get it like that and then push it down to slam it shut.